Hello students, I am Mr. Mishra, math teacher of the LPM Public School, Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today I will revise chapter probability. In the chapter probability, I will find any events which occur around us. Suppose that we can say tomorrow may be holiday, tomorrow may be rain. This is the occurrence of event which occur around us. Now it means probability means possibility of any event which occur around us. In the probability, I find the possibility of any event. In the topic probability, 3 points are found in the experiment and outcomes and events. What is experiment? Suppose that if I want to find out possibility of head or tail after tossing a coin, then tossing coin is the experiment. Now, what is outcomes? If you want to find out head or tail, then outcomes, total outcome of the tossing a coin is head or tails. Therefore, outcomes is the head or tails. If you throwing a dice, then outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, next point is event. After tossing a coin, means after experiment, if you find out head after tossing a coin, then head is the event. So, dear students, I hope that these 3 points, experiment, outcomes, and event, is clear to you, and also probability. What is probability? It is clear to you. Now, how to find out probability of any event? Suppose that event is A, then probability of event A equal number of event A can occur upon total number of possible outcomes. Upon total number of possible. This is the important formula for finding the probability of any event. Now, if probability of any event is certain, then probability will be 100%. But if probability of any event is uncertain, then probability will be 0. Suppose that you have to find out probability of 1 after tossing a coin. This is impossible event. Therefore, probability will be 0. Because if we throw a coin, then we cannot find 1 or 2 or 3. Similarly, I take another example. If you throwing a dies, then find the probability of head. This is impossible. This is impossible event. So probability will be 0. So possibility of any event is certain, then probability will be 100%. If probability of any event is uncertain, therefore probability will be 0. Now, dear students, so I will do exercise on the base of this formula. I will revise exercise exercise 7.1, question number 1. Exercise 7.1, question number 1. Question number 1 is, a number Q has 6 sides. A number Q has 6 sides. Has 6 sides. The sides have the number. The sides have the numbers. The sides have the numbers 1 to 4, 6, 7, and 5. If the cube is thrown once, if the cube is thrown once, cube is thrown once, what is the probability of probability of rolling an even number, of rolling an even number? What is the probability of rolling an even number? Dear students, I have already told you probability of event A equal number of event A का ना कर upon total number of possible outcome. So dear students, as you see, total number of possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of possible outcome will be 6. And number of event A का ना कर. What is the number of event A का ना कर? So dear students, you see that even number. If the total number of event A का ना कर, even number is 2, 4, and 6. So solution of this question will be number of event A equal, here even number is 1, 2, and 3, 2, 4, and 6. So number of event A, what will be 3, because even number is 1, 2, and 3. And of possible here, total number of possible outcome what will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of possible outcome, total number of possible outcomes equal 6. So probability of an even number, so probability of even number equal number of event A का ना कर, number of event A, number of event या number of event A can occur upon total number of possible outcomes, total number of possible outcomes, total number of possible outcomes. So here number of event is 3, that would be 3 by, and total number of possible outcomes is 6, therefore it will be 3 by 6. Then 3 1 are 3 and 3 2 are 6. This is 1 by 2. The probability of rolling an even number will be 1 by 2. Now next question is question number 13. Question 13 is, if one letter is chosen at random, if one letter is chosen at random, is chosen at random from the word, from the word, from the word mathematics, from the word mathematics. What is the probability? What is the probability what is the probability that number that letter chosen is the chosen is the letter M or T. Dear students, as you in the question you have to find out if one letter is chosen at random from the word mathematics, what is the possibility that letter is chosen is the letter M or T. Here we see that number M, letter M is 1, 2 and T is 1 and 2. So total number of event A can occur will be 2 plus 2, 4, because letter M is 2 times and letter T is 2 times. So number of letters M and 3 equal 4. This is event A, and total number of possible outcome, what will be? Total number of possible outcomes. Here total number of possible outcome in the mathematics, what will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number of possible will be 11. And number of event, number of let us say event equal to 4, therefore number of event will be 4 equal number of event equal 4, and total number of possible outcome will be 11. So probability of letter M or T equal number of event A can occur upon total number of possible outcome. Total number of possible outcome. Therefore, it will be number of event A can occur equal 4 by, and total number of possible outcome will be 11. So, dear students, I hope that this chapter and question based on this chapter is clear to you, and I hope that you can do this type of question very easily and very sincerely. Next video I will revise next chapter. Thank you so much.